Good afternoon. You are welcome once more to this bookkeeping class. I will solve the example on Aviana Limited under the issue of shares. You have the question already. I'll read out the question here. Ariana Limited issued, look at it. Ariana Limited issued 1,000 shares with a nominal value of 2 naira each. Application together with the total amount were received. The shares were allotted to the applicant. You are required to show journal and ledger entries. Okay, the first thing to do is we'll definitely do the ledger as well as the journal. Okay, and the format that I gave you will guide us through here. This is where shares are issued at par. This is where shares are issued at par, that is at the nominal value. Okay, so let's go. When shares are issued and the public subscribe for it, what will happen is the money received will go to the bank, as well as the shares will go to the subscribers. So when money is received, if you can recall your cash book well, it's on the debit side of the account. It's on the debit side of the account. So for that reason, we come to our journal entry here. We write bank debit side. The amount is 2,000 naira. The amount is 2,000 naira. Somebody will ask me, how did I get that 2,000 naira? It simply means the nominal value of 2 naira multiplied by 1,000 naira. That is, look at it, 2 naira multiplied by 1,000 shares will give you 2,000 naira altogether. Okay, so you write it. If you can recall your principle of double entry well, you state that for every debit entry there must be a corresponding credit entry. So if definitely the bank is receiving, then the application is the one giving. So you write application here, 2,000 naira. Okay, what are the reasons for this transaction? Come here, you write being payment received for application. You roll it. You are done with this one. You can see. Remember that bank received the money, you debit it. Application is giving out the shares, you credit it. Okay? Now, the next one is the ordinary shares. The ordinary shares. The money received is called application. The money received is on application. Okay? The next one will go to the ordinary share, because when shares are issued out, now they become part of the capital of the business. So you come here, you write ordinary share capital. Okay, ordinary share capital. Okay, if you can recall well in your bookkeeping, the capital maintains always credit balance, so it will be on the credit here. You write 2,000 naira. Okay, if truly this ordinary share capital is 2,000 naira, and for which part of the shares that were made kind of issued, they are ordinary shares. Okay, they were issued how? Is it on allotted or on application? Okay, they were issued on application. So you come here, you write application, you still perform your double entry principle here. You write, since this one is on the credit part of the account, that is the credit column. Then another 2,000 naira will be on the credit side. Okay, reason being shares allotted 1,000 shares. So we close it. For each step we close it. So we're done with the journal entry. As you watch this video, if you have any question you can ask. Okay, now according to what we're asked to do, we show the journal entry. This is the first part of it. Then we show the ledger entry. Okay, the first thing to show on the ledger entry, remember, is the bank account. Look at it. All these things open ledgers today. That's it will guide you to open the ledger. The things that are on debit side of the journal will go to the debit side of the respective account. The things that are on the credit side, like this one, application, will go back to application. If you can see application, we have two here. We have another application. This one is for the debit. It will go back to the debit. So they will cancel each other. So let's start with the bank. We write bank account. This is account now. Debit. Okay. The rule. Okay. Bank 2,000 naira. It was received on what application? You write application 2,000 naira. It was received on the application. Okay, next you open application account. Debit and credit. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's go back to the journal. You see on the journal we have application on the credit. If you be confused with this, you go back to the bank account. You see bank account application. So you come here, you write bank 2,000 naira. But if you're going with this one, okay, application 2,000 naira. Okay, the application was given to a tool through the bank. See bank here. Okay, 2,000 naira. And then let's move on to the next account. According to the journal, that is ordinary share capital. Ordinary share capital account, credit and debit. Okay, naira sign. Ordinary share, under the we have what on application, that is 2,000 naira. You still write application here. You write application because all the transaction is based on the application 2,000 naira. Okay, now then application, you see another application here. Or if this will confuse you, if this one will confuse you, see another application here. If this will confuse you, okay, you go back here, you see another application here. This one is on the credit side of the ordinary share. Okay, for every debit entry there must be a corresponding credit entry. We need a revised entry for this one, and the revised entry, it will be in the application account. So you come here, you write ordinary share because you are picking it from ordinary share capital. Okay, ordinary share capital 2,000 naira. So we're done with this entry. Just a single transaction. We're done with it. Look at it. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.